All right.
Right on.
This is Chris. He's my neighbor. He's a great guy. And we're going out to Greenwall today. Chris, you got any words?
We're gonna have a fantastic time out here, John. Thanks.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah, bring it.
Bring it, come on.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah, man. Chris, the neighbor, turns out to be the wave beast. Another one. It's gonna be even bigger. Go out over the top? Yeah, go over the top. I wouldn't take these. These are too big. Too big. I mean, too big for you right now. That was a 5-footer. Another fantastic day. Right. Yeah. Oh, bro. You were going for it too. You were making it right. That was great. Oh, here comes the dude, and you were going the right direction too. Look at this one though, this is a beast right here. This is a beast right here. Yeah, he's taking it,
Yeah, I don't know about that. You're going for 12. That was nice though.
That was a big glassy one, man. Did you see that? Thing was big, bro. You would have went.
It could have put a gravestone right where you went down.
Kind of thinking the same thing.
Yeah. Rest in peace, Chris. Right here, Greenwall.
have to go underneath this one, dude. Underneath. Get your board underneath.
Here we go.
Carlos, right here.
That's right. So Chris, tell us, how was it today?
Awesome. Absolutely fantastic. Yeah. Couldn't ask for more.